Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So for the past few weeks, we've been drawing some of Disney's iconic animated character couples. Last week, we drew Donald and Daisy Duck. Before that, we drew the classic version of Mickey and Minnie Mouse. And that got me thinking about all the different versions of Mickey and Minnie. I don't think there's another two characters in all of animation that have had a larger variety of versions throughout their storied history, and yet no matter how much they change, they're always instantly recognized and accepted as Mickey and Minnie Mouse. So on that note, I thought today we would draw the more updated version of Mickey and Minnie. The more modern look was first tested on Mickey in the 1939 animated short The Pointer. This version kept the charm of the original Mickey design, but with more natural movement, slightly more realistic proportions, and more expressive faces and eyes. Minnie's updated look followed shortly after, first appearing with white oval eyes and pupils around 1940, and the look fully standardized in the 1941 short The Nifty 90s. Anyways, what do you say we get to it? Let's draw. We're going to draw Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character should be. In this updated version, both Mickey and Minnie are still built using simple shapes, but the proportions stretch out just a little bit more compared to the earlier classic design. They're roughly 2.5 heads tall, with slightly longer bodies and more flexible limbs. Something I mentioned last week while drawing Donald and Daisy Duck also goes for this version of Mickey and Minnie, and that is the line of action. This later version of Mickey and Minnie leans heavily into the movement and flow. That pose usually starts at the head and curves naturally through the body. If you draw them too straight or stiff, they lose that lively Disney energy, even in the standing pose. So keep that line of action or motion in mind as we go. Okay, so what do you say we get started with our roadmap for Mickey and Minnie? So there's our roadmap for Mickey and Minnie. Now, before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of Mickey and Minnie using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. Remember, until that third and final step, you want to be drawing as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to place Mickey's and Minnie's eyes, noses, mouths, and facial features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to keep them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Alright, so there are the roughed out features of our modern Mickey and Minnie. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw on the final details of Mickey and Minnie Mouse. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. Now is a great time to pause and look at your drawing while everything is still drawn lightly. Fix anything that feels off before committing to those final lines. But even as you draw those final lines, you should still be thinking about how you might improve your drawing all the way until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the final details for our modern version of Mickey and Minnie Mouse. And that's how you do it. There you have it, the modern version of Mickey and Minnie Mouse. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn this or any version of Mickey or Minnie before, you can't expect to have drawn it perfectly on this first try. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our couple during this video because I want my lesson to focus entirely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing the more modern version of Mickey and Minnie Mouse. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of the modern Mickey and Minnie. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.